In this video, I will show you how you can set up WhatsApp coexistence in GoHighLevel. So what do we mean by coexistence? In the past, when WhatsApp was first released in GoHighLevel, we could not use the same number to set up a WhatsApp business app on our phone and use that same number to set up WhatsApp in GoHighLevel. But now we can, and that's basically called coexistence. So the idea is you're using a number to set up a WhatsApp business app on your phone. We will use that same number, or we will use that same profile to set up WhatsApp in GoHighLevel, and this is coexist. They will be two separate profiles but act as if they're the same profile. Let's say you are using the business app on your phone and you're chatting with 50 contacts here in the phone. What can happen is once you use that same number to set up WhatsApp in GoHighLevel, the contacts can be imported in GoHighLevel. So they will coexist, and in this video, I will show you how to set that thing up. So currently, GoHighLevel allows you to set up coexistence in most of the countries. However, there are two countries where you can't set up coexistence yet. Maybe they'll open up in the future, but if you are using a phone number that's from any of these countries, Nigeria or South Africa, you can't set up coexistence. Maybe they will open it up again in the future, but for now, these are restricted countries. But if your phone number is from any other country, you can definitely set up coexistence. Now, I made a video on WhatsApp setup, the full implementation of GoHighLevel WhatsApp, where I said that a lot of countries are restricted from setting up coexistence, but that's not the case anymore. So that's changed. Now let's go ahead and set up our coexistence. So if we go to our GoHighLevel account, I'm going to use this sub account to set up coexistence. Now this is the account. If you go to settings, go to WhatsApp. I have already subscribed to WhatsApp. And by subscribe, I mean GoHighLevel WhatsApp costs $10 per month, and that's the base price. If you are on the SaaS plan, which is the full $97 per month, you have the opportunity to resell it on a higher price, $30, $50, $100 per month, no matter what price you set up to sell it for. GoHighLevel, for each sub-account's WhatsApp subscription, will charge you $10. Those are the accounts that have an active WhatsApp subscription. So the first time you are under settings on WhatsApp, you'll probably see a screen called subscribed to WhatsApp. So you need to do that. And if you want to know more about WhatsApp's implementation, how it works, how it needs to be set up from the very beginning, there's a video I did, which you will find in this video's description. So go ahead and watch it if you want to. Once you subscribe to WhatsApp, you will see two options here. The first one is connect a business WhatsApp app, which is the coexistence, which is what we're going to do. And then we have another option, which is set up a new WhatsApp number. Now, what is that? This is if you want to set up WhatsApp with a fresh number that doesn't have an active WhatsApp profile with it, whether business or personal. So if you want to do that, That's for the other video, which you will find the link to in the description. In this one, we will use this option, which is WhatsApp business app connection. This is exactly what coexistence means. Hey there, everyone. Just wanted to take a few seconds from this video to talk about my school community, where if you join, first of all, you get to ask me questions about HighLevel, Google Ads, Meta Ads, SMMA, anywhere you're stuck in the build, any issues you're facing on anything. You can see there's loads of questions in the community. We interact here all the time. Then you can have access to all my courses in the classroom. I have courses on GoHighLevel automation, AI, courses on Google PPC ads, Meta Ads, how to launch your SMMA, how to scale your SMMA, and a bunch of other stuff. Also, there's a template library you can see here. A lot of resources on Google Ads, Meta Ads, funnels, GoHighLevel workflows. There are built-in snapshots ready to go. Literally load into your account and then start using them. Loads of GoHighLevel CSS, and I'm adding stuff to it every day. And one of my most favorite things in the community is the calendar section, where we have a couple of events going on every week. First of all, there's the weekly Q&A. Secondly, there's the weekly coaching session, where we cover a specific topic every week, and then we do a short Q&A on that topic. So if you want to join the community, there's a link in this video's description, which will take you to the sign up page, and I will see you on the other side. Now let's get back to the video. So click on this. It will take you to the Meta business portfolio, and then you'll click on this. You need to be logged into Facebook, by the way. And once you log into Facebook, you will say continue. This is where a lot of people get confused. You will need to have an active business portfolio setup. So you can see here, I have 4 business portfolios set up. If you want to set up a business portfolio, you just simply need to go to business.facebook.com. There you'll find an option to create a business portfolio. And if you want more information, just Google how to create a business portfolio. It's very simple. Once you create a business portfolio under your Facebook profile, you'll get to select that here. So I'll just select this one. And under this, I will say connect a WhatsApp business app. And then I will say next. Now it's asking me to put the number. And this is the number that already has a WhatsApp business profile in my phone. So I'll select this and then put the number. There we go. That's my number. Now, what will happen is it will say add a new WhatsApp number. The first time you're doing it, you'll probably get an option saying connect your WhatsApp business app, connect your existing app. You'll select that and do next. So once you do that, it will send a link to your WhatsApp business. Once you're in this QR code screen, you need to check your WhatsApp business app on your phone. You'll get a message from Facebook Business. You need to click connect on that screen. I can't show you my phone right now, but you'll get a message in the WhatsApp business app. Click on that message and hit connect. So once you hit connect, it's going to say connect to the business platform on your phone. So you need to click that. Then you'll get two options. The first one is share all chats. And this will again sync your chats with GoHighLevel. So basically, if you have any chats in your phone in the WhatsApp business app, they will be imported as contacts and as conversations in GoHighLevel. If you don't want to share those chats, that's fine. Just select don't share chats and that's it. So I'll just do don't share chats, whatever. And now it will take you to the camera where you need to scan the QR code. So I'll just scan my code here real quick. Sometimes the QR code may not work. So in that case, you'll just use an access code. You can just put this code on your phone where it says access code. So just type it. That's it. So once you type the code on your phone in the placeholder, it will say connecting your account. This could take up to 45 seconds, and it takes about 45 seconds to set up WhatsApp. And once done, you'll find an option called next. So just do next and do confirm. That's it, connecting your account. This will basically connect your WhatsApp business to GoHighLevel. In other words, you have set up WhatsApp coexistence in GoHighLevel. So do finish. There we go. So we have connected our WhatsApp here, and WhatsApp is all set up and ready for you to create templates and start using it to chat with your leads. This is how we set up WhatsApp coexistence. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions on WhatsApp coexistence or on WhatsApp in GoHighLevel or anything in general, and I will see you in the next one.